Hi, I'm Dirk Ducharme, Editor-in-Chief with Quality Digest. Today we're at the West Coast Tech Center of Carl Zeiss IMT in Irvine, California, just outside of Los Angeles. This 3,800 square foot state-of-the-art facility features the latest in Zeiss metrology equipment. Now, although the grand opening is on April 6th and 7th, today we're getting a sneak preview. Let's take a look. Hi, Drew.
Hi, Dirk.
Hey, thanks for having us down.
Thanks for coming.
This is Drew Szymanski. He's the manager of the Tech Center here in Irvine. Still has that new building smell going on.
Yes, it does.
Why Southern California?
Well, this is kind of a focal point for us because of our existing customer base, but also we want to support the emergence of the aerospace industry and the growing medical market.
Now you have your grand opening coming up on the April 6th and 7th, right?
Yes, sir.
What can people expect when they come here?
Well, we're going to show them a variety of our hardware, of course, but we also want to highlight some of the higher level things we can do, like connecting all your machines together to help manage your data.
Now, is this only for people who have large facilities with lots of machines? What about the mom and pop shop?
You know, we find that anybody with a CMM faces some challenges in their metrology system that we can help them overcome through data management.
What kind of equipment are they going to see?
Well, let's take a look. The PCC right here is called our O-Inspect. This is a multi-sensor system, so it has both a tactile sensor and an optical sensor, and it provides a wide range of applications for supporting plastics and medical.
Besides multi-sensor machines, what other type of equipment do you have?
Well, we also make shop floor machines like the Duramax. We have our traditional bridge style machines like the Contour and the Prismo, and we also have some surface finish and geometry equipment like the Roncom and Surfcom.
Okay, and on the grand opening, this equipment is all going to be networked together, is that what you said?
What you're going to see is a simulation of a production environment where each machine will be doing its part to bring data and analysis to the whole.
Okay, I'm assuming there's a software component to this as well.
There is. We'll be using two pieces. One is Calypso, our metrology platform,
right,
and the other is the Master Control Center, which really provides us the connectivity so that we can manage the data and the results that are coming off the machines. It gives us a dashboard overview of all the machines that are connected and lets us manage what's going on with them, understand the uptime and some of the utilization, as well as securing our data after inspection.
Okay, you've shown us a vision machine here very quickly. What other types of machines did you want to show us today?
Let's take a look at the Duramax.
Okay. Okay, Drew, tell me a little bit about this machine. It's small, compact, and looks like cast iron.
Well, it's a very durable machine. It's called the Duramax, and we've designed this to be put out on the shop floor. So right next to the machining center, it has a small footprint, which makes it easy to put out there, and it's also very rugged from a temperature standpoint. As your temperature changes, your accuracy is maintained.
Why the cantilever design on this?
The cantilever is important to us because it allows access from all sides of the machine. So as your manufacturing needs change, you may want to add some type of automation or loading that would be facilitated by the openness.
And connectivity?
The Calypso and the Master Control Center would work here just as well. Okay,
so if the smaller machine shop comes to your grand opening, they're going to see the larger machines that we've seen. They're going to see something like this. Mm-hmm. And for the small shop, that might mean that they could start with a smaller machine like this, be able to scale up and still have all the connectivity and the master control and so forth.
Yep, yes, it really gives them a platform to grow from.
Great. What else do you have to show us?
Let's take a look. So this area here is another demonstration area, but it's also where we do our software training. You can see we have a smart board here that we use as kind of the focal point for the training. We have 4 workstations set up centered around our G2s, which you may notice are more of our traditional bridge type CMMs.
I recognize those machines. Yeah. I notice there's 4 workstations. Is that the max you can handle here? Or?
For a structured class, that's what we like to have. But we also hold some events that are more seminar type where we may have 10 to 20 attendees.
Are these workstations actually tied into equipment, or are they isolated?
They're absolutely tied in, so it's like the customer is training on their own piece of machinery.
And what software?
Primarily with Calypso, but we also have the entire suite of Zeiss software, including the Master Control Center. So for the grand opening, what you'll see in this area is we'll turn it into a production cell where these 2 machines will be controlled from Master Control Center, and we'll be managing the inspection requirements and the data as well.
Okay. Now I've noticed in this room you've got a couple of Contour G2s, you've got a big Prismo over there. Tell me a little bit why you have 2 G2s in the room.
Well, we offer different probe heads on the G2s, and so we have the Vast XT fixed probe head and the RDS articulating probe head here as well. So when a customer comes, they can train on the probe head that's on their machine.
Well, Drew, thanks for showing us around your tech center. Remember, that's the Carl Zeiss IMT West Coast Tech Center grand opening on April 6th and 7th here in Irvine, California. If you need more information on the event, just go to the Zeiss website at www.zeiss.com/IMT. Thanks a lot, and thanks for being with us.